Question: Difference between family and relatives. 2. Difference between nuclear family and extended family usually includes nuclear family such as parents, children, siblings. Relatives includes everyone who is connected by marriage or adoption, regardless of proximity, such as cousin, uncle, and aunts. Nuclear family usually consists of parents and their children, such as father, mother, children, both biological and adoption. Extended is a large family that includes nuclear family members, parents, children, and family members who are still related by blood such as grandparents and uncle, auntie, cousin, and others.
Wow!